Hey folks, James from Bommer here with another feature video, and today we're going to be talking about table style editing in Bommer for SOLIDWORKS. Yes, this feature is finally here and I'm excited to be talking about it. So, let's dig in. So here we can see our live view, which has gotten a little bit of a facelift, but the most important part of this is now I can double click a cell here to type in what I want. I can just press enter and type on top of the cell, or I can press F2 to start editing a cell directly. All this table style goodness right within the live view. Let's say, however, you don't want to edit all of these cells one by one. Well, we've made that easy. By selecting the cell in the column and hitting Control Space, you can select the whole column. I type what I want to fill these cells with, and just press enter. All these cells now reflect this change. Some of these descriptions seem to be wrong though. We can't make it at home if we're going to buy it. Well, we can specifically select particular cells by hitting Control as we press these particular cells. I start typing what I want to fill it in, which is purchased, and now all of these have been changed to purchased. I want to double check that I select the right one, so I right click on this purchase cell and select value in column to highlight all the values of purchased within this particular column, just to double check. All these align with buy, so let's move on. Well, now we have to specify the manufacturer. So let me select this whole particular column. I hit Control C for copy, and then I hit Control V for paste in this case. Into the manufacturer, I select once again all the values of purchased, and now I change it to Zeustech. They do have the best bolts to reflect that. One additional step for this, once again, a neat little feature that we included is if you right click, select value in columns, and I right click this again and isolate the selected rows in model, you can now see that my model reflects only those particular rows, and I can double check to make sure these are the ones that I'm going to purchase. I hit exit isolate, and we're back to where we were. Another new feature that we've implemented this time around is the ability to undo and redo. Hit Control Z to undo and Control Y to redo. We've also added these buttons on the top so that you can undo and redo. All of these changes will appear live on the live view. Last but not least, we have our new button up here that if we click, we can see some of the more useful table commands that we have included in this, including their keyboard shortcuts. If you right click on these cells as well, you can see that the keyboard shortcuts for these are included in there as well. Well, folks, that's all I have for now. As always, I will include some useful links in the description down below. Check out our other videos that we have on the channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We really do appreciate it. But as always, have an awesome day.